Hi, this is Dr. Ankit Soni from Life Plus Homeopathy Clinic. Today in this video we will be talking about something very basic to all of us, that is water. We have understood a lot of things about water, especially about the purity of water. That's the only concept that we have constantly taken care of. There is one more concept, that is good or bad water, which we have not understood much about. So in this video we will try and understand what is the genesis of, or what is the evolution of our understanding of purity of water. So many of us would have known that our grandmothers used to, probably you would have seen that too, that our grandmothers used to use a clean muslin kind of a cloth. They used to put water through that filter rather, and the water that was filtered through that cloth was used by us for drinking. And we used to think that this is absolutely good to consume water. Later on, as our understanding increased, we got to know that only the visible impurities were cleaned by that cloth. But there were a lot of minute particles that used to seep through that cloth and was not filtered out. So then came the concept of ceramic candles. So we used to have filters with ceramic candles fit in, two containers, the upper container with the candle, and water used to filter through that candle within a new flask, which was absolutely considered good to be had. So everybody later on started using that. We used to see that in clinics, in households, everybody had that pot. Later on, we got to understand that yes, the visible impurities or the minute particles got cleaned, but still there were certain chemical impurities that were still there in water. And municipal corporations, when they try and clean the water and make water potable, they pass a gas called as chlorine gas to that water to disinfect it. And many a times a lot of excess chlorine that gets passed through this water, and a lot of that gets dissolved within it, and when consumed is not good for health or on a longer run. So then came the concept of using activated charcoal candles. So when water is passed through that candle, the chlorine dissolved within the water gets absorbed, and the water that as a result we get is free from chlorine. So everybody started using that. Slowly and steadily that became a norm in every water filtration plant at home. Everybody was very happy. People thought that now we are consuming the best possible water. Then came a concept, or rather then we understood that still there were certain microorganisms like viruses and bacteria which were still present in water that we are consuming, and hence that's we started using ultraviolet candles or ultraviolet light to disinfect or probably inactivate those organisms that were there in water. And probably that was the first pioneers probably in India was especially Eureka Forbes that came up with AquaGuards, and slowly and steadily a lot of companies followed the suit, and these kind of ultraviolet water filtration plants became the norm of each and every household, clinics, hospitals. Everywhere now you go, you see these kind of water filtration plants. So this is what we have till now understood, that purity of water is important. We try and get water as pure as possible. But one concept or one aspect of water, that is the value of water, the quality of water, or rather is the water good or bad, not pure or impure, but good or bad. That is something which is newly emerging trend. People are now trying and understanding more about this simple water that we consume every day, without which our life is not possible. So in further videos, we'll be talking about, this is a series of videos, and we'll be talking about various aspects of what is a good water. We'll try and explain or make things clearer in the further series of these videos. Till then, stay tuned.